Hello, friends, and welcome back to the free IELTS video lessons of the Impact IELTS. We are doing writing task 2, and so far we have finished the planning and introduction part. The next part is to transfer your planning into body paragraphs. That's a very important part of the writing task. So what you can see in the screen, I'll just remind you about the first topic that we took and the planning we did. As you can see, if you can remember the formula of my planning, then you can see this is the planning. If you cannot remember, go back to the videos and see videos on how to plan a topic. So this was an opinion based topic, and I have planned here uh, two ideas for agreement. In fact, all three ideas for agreement. So there will be three body paragraphs, as I have taught you, will be made from this, and all should be for about 65 to 70 words, so that the word count can reach up to 200 words in the body paragraph, as I have taught you. So let's begin with the first one. So this was the first body paragraph, and you can see, so I agree means I support the idea that yes, community work should be done, it should be a compulsory part. So the planning was the topic sentence. So topic sentence means somehow you will get the idea that what is the topic. Then the first idea is saying that they learn life skills. Then this explaining it by saying that like team skills and organizational skills. And finally is giving a kind of example or supporting it further by saying it can save the unproductive wastage of time, for example, on TV and mobile. Now, based on this, you can see, and you can see this red color letters, words. They are known as, cohesive devices or connectors. And now see, how does it begin? So first, I have to prove that I support the idea. So life skills are vital, and by doing voluntary work, students can not only learn how to communicate. So now it's clear that I'm saying that community work should be made compulsory. And the first idea is giving here is can not only learn how to communicate, so they're talking about learning life skill, but also come to know how to manage their time and sharpen their organizational skills, right? Nowadays, unfortunately, teenagers do not have many after school activities, right? After school clubs are no longer that popular, and students mostly go home and sit in front of TV, browse internet, or play video games. So we plan the idea and we expand on them. So if you have the idea, somehow you can manage to expand them. Now we will move to the next plan. Again, I support here as well. So again, we have three ideas. Now you can see the cohesive devices. Uh, this time I have not given any topic sentence. I have just started with in addition. Now it simply means then I'm supporting this idea further. And my main idea here that students will feel encouraged. Why? Because opportunities of more creative involvement are there. Example, it can strengthen the CV. There will be more employment opportunities, more respect for work, and useful for future. So in addition, by giving compulsory work activity, again, I'm making clear what I'm writing with charitable or community organizations, students will be encouraged to do something more creative. Skills gained through these works. Now, this kind of word, these, eat, they are also a kind of cohesive devices. They are known as referencing expression. You will get a complete chapter on referencing expressions later on, right? Will not only be an asset on their CV, but also enhance their employability. It, so again, there is connectors. It will also help them. So every time you should use some connectors so that idea can be well connected. It will also help them gain more respect towards work and money, as they will realize that it is not easy to earn, and consequently another cohesive devices, will learn to spend them in a more practical way. So two supportive ideas. Here, third ideas were also supportive. So you can write like this. You need to have three ideas for writing opinion-based topic. So here the idea is no ideal time. Sorry, not ideals, idle, right? No idle time for sitting and doing nothing because there is no time for thinking because you are always busy, right? So as a result, there will be lack of crime in high school age group. Moreover, again, I'm supporting the idea healthy life balance and exercise are strongly promoted by the health organizations, and therefore, any kind of spare time charity work will prevent them from sitting idle and doing nothing. It again, you can see the use of referencing word. It could also, again, a referencing word, possibly reduce the crime level in the high school age group because another kind of word. If students are engaged, so that's complex sentence. In constructive activities, they will not be bored and may not come up with such silly ideas, which can be proved threatening for them or their surrounding. I hope you have understood with the examples of body paragraphs that how to write first body paragraph with the base of planning, right? And this is opinion based topic. So next two example will be for discussion based topic and opinion discussion based topic. So things will be further become more clearer for you later, right? So practice it, planning and transferring your planning into ideas by using connectors. There is a separate chapters on connectors and cohesive devices as well. So you can learn it there, right? Keep following the video. And I hope you have liked this video. Thank you.